Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the gold ingot in Curry Garden game of Roblox new summer camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the summer camp event, we need the gold ingot to craft the rare summer egg. As you can see, for this rare summer egg recipe, we need the rare egg, gold ingot, and beanstalk, and also 30 million shekels. And if you want to get the gold ingot guys, you need to do crafting. You can go to the crafting table right here, and wait, let me show you the recipe for the gold ingot. So this is a cosmetic guys, this one. For the craft time, it only needs 1 minute. And for the recipe, you need giant pine cone, daffodil seed, advanced sprinkler, and also 300k shekels. So that's not difficult to craft this one. You just need a few items, guys. Okay, guys, and that's how we can get the gold ingot to craft rare summer egg. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.